Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 1367 linked list in binary tree, and in this we'll begin the binary tree root and a linked list with head as the first node, and we have to return true if all the elements in the linked list starting from the head corresponding to some downward path connected in the binary tree exist, otherwise we have to return false. And in this context, downward path means a path that starts at some node and goes downwards. For example, this is a given particular binary tree, and we are having the linked list as 4 to 8, so we can form a path going downwards in the binary tree starting from the node 4 to 2 and then to 8. So we have to return true in this case. But okay, all the examples are true, and we are not having proper trigonometric explanation for this example. Let's continue with this. So if it would have been like if I would have been having one more node in the linked list, that is 14267, so in that case I have to return false. But now right now I can form the whole linked list in the binary tree. Okay, so for that what I'll have to do is, firstly I'll be checking the formation of the linked list from every node, starting from that if the node value matches or not. So we just have to check that we can form the downward path or not. Like basically we can form the whole linked list in the binary tree or not, going towards down. Okay, so for that we'll have to start the search from every node, and we'll be checking that if node value matches we'll be continuing downwards, and then we'll be eventually, if we find the answer, we'll returning true. Okay, so firstly let's have some base cases. That if linked list is null, in that case we'll be always having our answer, so we have to return true in that case. Then I'll be checking that if root is equal to null, basically that means some linked list exists, so in that case I have to return false. Otherwise I'll have to return dfs starting from the head and root, or I'll be calling the s subpath function again with head comma root dot left subtree, basically root dot left, or s subpath with head comma root dot right. Okay, so now let's write this function, that is private boolean dfs, and this we are having the head of the linked list, list node head, and the tree node root. Okay, now we'll be checking that again, that if head is equal to null, in that case that I have found my answer, so I'll be returning return true. Then I'll be checking that if root is equal to null, that means I have to return false. And next I have to check that if the two values are not equal, so basically that if root dot val is equal to root dot head dot val, that means I cannot form a path from here, so I have to return root return false basically. Otherwise I have to return dfs again with head dot next and left subtree, because I don't know where I'll be finding my answer in the left or the right subtree, so I have to call the right dfs function again for the right subtree as well, the head comma root dot right. Okay, now let's give it a run. Oh, okay, so it states wrong answer. Oh, head dot next. Okay, now let's give it a run again. Yeah, it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works probably fine as well. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.